All right. Hello, and welcome to Envision by World Strides. Thank you for your interest in the National Youth Leadership Forum's program on national security. My name is Jeremy Blake. I am the program manager for the National Security Program, and I'm happy to walk through our program with you. As I discuss the program, please feel free to submit questions through our Q&A section, and our team will answer them as they are submitted. If you don't have a chance to get to your question during this presentation, or if any additional questions come, please call our admissions team at the number at the end of this presentation, and they'll be happy to answer any of your questions. So in this webinar, we will talk about the goals of the program, student life on site at the University of Maryland, some of our scheduled activities, and of course, taking questions from our participants and their families. NYLF National Security is a 6-day program with sessions scheduled in July to help young people explore careers in the national security field. This includes the areas of defense, intelligence, cybersecurity, and diplomacy. The program is held just outside of Washington, D.C. at the University of Maryland at College Park. Our students come from all over the country and sometimes internationally. We seek out a diverse set of enthusiastic learners, excited about a career in national security, who want to learn more about the field and work with others who might have similar interests. Scholars will have multiple opportunities to hear from and interact with members of the national security establishment. Through keynote addresses, panel discussions, scholars will get an inside look at national security careers. For example, we're proud to have, returning again this year, our opening keynote speaker, Jonah Mendez, who is a retired CIA chief of disguise. In addition, our scholars will visit institutions such as the Naval Academy and the International Spy Museum. And finally, our culminating activity is a day-long national security crisis simulation, where scholars will have to work with each other and solve fast-moving and complex national security crises. Our staff are here to assist scholars in every step of the way. We can help provide transportation from Baltimore Washington Airport, and we'll have a 24-hour presence in the dormitories to ensure scholars are safe and have all their needs met. In addition, the University of Maryland provides secure access dormitories with 24-hour staffing to ensure a safe environment. Student life on campus involves staying with a roommate in university dorms that are reserved for our programs. Wi-Fi, lounges, vending machines, and laundry are provided along with most meals. These meals are served at the University of Maryland dining halls and really let your students take part in a true college experience. Additional activities include social hours in the evenings, featuring games, trivia, and other activities. In addition, we'll be visiting Washington, D.C. and the surrounding area to see the National Mall, monuments, memorials, and Arlington National Cemetery. Thank you for joining us for this webinar. Our program dates are listed above. We are currently offering $100 off 2023 summer sessions. And in addition, college credit through our partner in George Mason University is also available at an additional cost. To take advantage of this opportunity, please call our admission team at 866-441-8704. We're going to stay on for a few minutes to answer any questions that you might have. We will answer individual questions in the chat, and if there are a few questions that are kind of coming up repeatedly or a few themes that are showing, we'll go ahead and say them out loud so that everybody can have an opportunity to listen in.